We're back in part 5 of the Tibet trip, the Parker Chode Monastery in Gyantse. Here they are. The monks are working on candles. Here I am, a picture of the monastery. The monastery is up on a hill like that. Very interesting. Front door of the monastery, and this is a Buddhist symbol. Here's another shot of it. The eyes of the Buddha. This is a monk's bed. Stairwell going up there. There's the stairwell. We actually climbed that. So the village surrounding next to the monastery. Street scene by the monastery. This is the vegetable market. Very interesting. Here's some of the vegetables. Green beans, eggplant, cauliflower. Very interesting. These are fresh chickens. You get your live chickens. That's pork. There she is processing the meat right there. Very sanitary. Huh. So there's I don't know what that is, what animal that is, but that's a piece being brought in on a cart to the market. Here's your shoe store. And this was a Chinese restaurant that we ate at. The guy was really nice. These are a pair of Tibetan shoes, and I actually have a pair of those in Oregon. Quite interesting. Handmade. It's an old man. Weather-beaten face. The sand mandalas. Oh, this is the meditation. So this is where they make the sand into shapes and stuff. So this is here they are working on it. This is very painstaking. That's all colored sand, different colors of sand. It's a form of meditation that the Buddhists use. So there's the process. So this part up here hasn't been filled in yet. So they have a funnel here where they're, they tap it with a copper piece, and then it lets out a little stream of sand. It's very precise. Very beautiful. You can see the monk there, and you see the serrations on the sand. All right, I'm going to stop here, and we'll